Right guys, just popped up the plot on the old treader. Have a quick look round, plan my week sort of thing. So we'll have a quick walk round. I'm hopefully going to do a Monday seedling update in a minute. So let's see what's going on here then. Got yeah, spare bed there. Onions doing well there. Yeah, they're picking up okay. Ooh, what was this? Oh yeah, elephant garlic. I couldn't remember. Elephant garlic doing well in the straw bale. Only 4 there, but I'll put a few more things around the outside. This bale's empty at the moment, and what I'm going to do with this one, I think what I'll do is chuck some compost on top of it. It's a little bit low. And this one, shallots. That's my own shallots, the Ambition and Tive Noir, saved from last year. Runner bean gallows. Yeah, another month or so for them, I think. No, I won't be sowing until May, so a while longer. Oh, chives, and those chives. Chive flowers. We were talking about flowers yesterday on Richard's Veg Growers podcast. Never tried chive flowers. Well, I think I have, but they're a bit strong. So, rhubarb. I'm going to get some of that in a minute. I'm going to get some. Roses are popping up. Right, I'm giving up. I am giving up with blueberries. This bed here, pure acidic compost, and I'm going to dig them up. Even the strawberries aren't doing very well in there. Calendula, that's doing right. That's another thing we talked about, edible flowers all round. And raspberries. 1 raspberry there, that's it. So what I'm going to do with this trellis for now, I'm not going to bother with raspberries again this year. I'll plant some more in the autumn. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use buckets or big pots and train tomatoes up there. So there's no point wasting the frame, might as well do something with it. There's the other rose, that's Peter's Basilica or something like that. Yeah, doing alright. Right, shallots, yeah, they were doing alright in there as well, and the garlic, look at that, picked up like... Now, this banana, I was really worried about this, how it was so mushy, but I tell you what, it is solid. And somebody, I think it was Jenny or Denise or Stella, I can't remember now, said it may throw up a few pups, so I'm going to leave it. I don't want to rip it out anyway, because it will just ruin the compost all around. These 2 beds here, I'm going to put compost on top of these as well. These 2 straw bales. Oh, borage poking up here, look. And there's a white borage. This one's a bit of a mutant. So I'll get a photograph of that in a minute, yeah. Oh yeah, potatoes coming up here. I can't remember what they are, so I'll let you know when I get home. I didn't bring any crib sheets out with me today. I hope this orange bulb has made the transplant. The leaves are still green, but a lot of it is gone a bit brittle. I love calendula, pot marigolds, calendula. Yeah. Oh, potato bucket left from last year again. Olive tree, that's alright. Fig, that got destroyed the other year when someone stood in the middle of it and snapped it open. Tesco fruit trees all round here, they're picking up nicely. See that one over there, got blossom on it. Yeah, nice. Bit of a mess over here. It's going to be a wildflower area again over here. I say quick tour, guys. You know, some of the potatoes in here are poking out as well. Early days yet. Bit of biochar scattered on there. Where are we? Ain't too bad. I've got to get some wood chip down. But I'll do that in the week. Bronze fennel, look at this. Lovely colour in the sun. And it smells and tastes absolutely divine. So a few herbs in here. I'll have to get my notes out and see what they are. Tarragon, that's tarragon, the big one, isn't it? Sorry, I'm miles away with the camera. That's tarragon. That is either oregano, yes it is, Greek oregano. time. Lola Rossa lettuce from last year. I'm going to have to watch these beds this year because they got a bit dry. So this year I'm going to really concentrate on keeping them moistured. Maybe even get some sort of olive pot or something. Or like a pipe system along here with holes in it. Blank the end off here with like a funnel to fill it. I know what I'm talking about. Holes all along the pipe and a blank at that end so it just sort of dribbles water in. Yeah, we'll see. Let's get that thistle in a second as well. We just pulled a few weeds out of here. Only a couple of strawberries left in there. And they were Pegasus. And that looks like another marjoram or oregano. It's hard to tell which is which, isn't it? Yeah, that one does need a... that's oregano. That's oregano. Yeah, lovely smell. Doing more herbs this year. Just sown 50 odd the other day. 50 varieties, 300 plants. Compost bins. I think that's about it up here, guys. Oh, the soft fruit. They're all budding up now. Mulberries, a little bit of vinegar on the grass. Look, it always works. Red currants and white currants down there. So, like I say, early days yet. It's only the first week of April, for heaven's sake. Got to get loads of manure down in here for the beans. I've left it a bit late, but then again, I didn't move plots till about a month ago, wasn't it, really? So, do you think I've got enough bamboo? Right, I'll catch you when we get back home, guys. Okay then, back from the plot on the old bike. Happy to announce that my chest is fine and my ankle's not hurting at all, so win-win, eh? Okay, so start the Monday Seedling tour off in the greenhouse, in the Vitapod. Pretty good germination of the tomatoes. I keep the lid off during the day, just get some of the humidity out. It's a little bit too moist sometimes in there. But I reckon I've got overall 80% germination. And what I've done, I had a quick count yesterday and I put a few extra seeds in the ones that had 0 germination. Which is another very good reason for using the Jiffy 7s. So easy. The onions and shallots and leeks and that sort of thing, they're outside most of the time now. What's that one there? 28, that's Kelsey. 3 types of leek in there. The one on the right, that's Leon. They didn't do very well last year either, so might give up with those next year. And it's not old seed either. There's my own strawberry cuttings from last year. 26, that's Shallot Ambition. These are outside all the time, like I said now. And that's LC onions there. Yeah, I've had to open the door in here today, a little bit too warm. So I just brought all the peppers down, peppers and chilies from the upstairs Vitapod, because lots of other things are going in there soon. Loads of brassicas over there, and Lola Rossa, Lola Blanchi or Bianco. There's the seed snails of the leeks. Not sure there's any advantage to doing it like that, but we'll see, Got some nasturtiums and some cosmos in there. 71 to 74, marigold, calendula, cosmos. More peppers and the giant acucha on the front right there, Bolivian acucha. More peppers, brassicas, and that number 63, that's a row of tomatillo, and I'm glad they germinated because you need at least 2 plants to ensure pollination. Couple of aubergines. What's the big one? Long purple. The 2 over there, that's your normal black beauties. These ones here that I thought were peppers are Thai long green aubergines, and there's a few more chilies and things like that. Loads and loads and loads and loads of herbs all sown yesterday. 55 varieties, about 300 plants, and more peppers under the Spider Farmer. Brassicas, onions, they're doing well. Broad beans and peas. Nothing from the Cape Gooseberry yet. Some dahlias in there, and number 75, that is broad beans. One more thing to look at in the greenhouse before we go is the Wrinkle Home Composter. Look at this, it's fantastic stuff, it really is. And I've put it in the greenhouse because it gives off a little bit of heat. And, well, only just after winter, you can appreciate the greenhouse likes a little bit of warmth, you know. So I empty this, not empty it, I harvest this every week and top it up again. So, good stuff. There's another couple of punnets of tomatoes upstairs in the Vitapod, but there's only 2 or 3 punnets, so I'm not going to show you those. But here's all the salad leaves and radish in the Veggie Pod kitchen garden. Doing very well. That's it for this week, guys. Catch you soon.